Hello students, myself Vijay. We pass through the topic electronic configurations and types of elements. Next topic periodic trends in properties of elements. Here we will discuss here the periodic trends in physical properties like atomic and ionic radii, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, and electronegativity, as well as chemical properties like valency, nature of oxides, etc. one by one. First, atomic radius. Atomic radius is defined as the distance from the center of the nucleus to the outermost shell containing electrons. Atomic radius is generally estimated by knowing the distance between the atoms in the combined form. Depending upon the nature of combining atoms, atomic radius can be of following types. First, covalent radius. Second, metallic radius. Third, van der Waals radius. Now first, covalent radius. If the combining atoms are non-metals except noble gases, their radius is called the covalent radius. Covalent radius is defined as the one half of the distance between the center of nuclei of two covalently bonded atoms of the same element in a molecule. R covalent is equal to 1 by 2. Internuclear distance between two covalently bonded atoms with a single bond. Second, metallic radius. Metallic radius is defined as the one half of the internuclear distance separating the metal cores in the metallic crystals. In metallic lattice, the electrons are mobile and hence only weakly attracted by the kernels. But in covalent molecules, the electrons are strongly attracted by the nuclei of combining atoms. Thus, metallic radius is always larger than covalent radius. Again repeat my sentence. Metallic radius is always larger than covalent radius. Third, van der Waals radius. It is defined as one half of the distance between the nuclei of two identical non-bonded isolated atoms. Van der Waals radius is much larger than covalent radius. In other words, we can also say that the radius of a noble gases is largest in its period. Atomic radii can be measured by X-ray or spectroscopic method. Again repeat my sentence. Atomic radii can be measured by X-ray or spectroscopic methods. The order of different atomic radius is van der Waals radius is greater than metallic radius is greater covalent radius. The van der Waals radius is also called the non-bonded radius as it is the radius of non-bonded atoms or molecules. Screening or shielding effect. Students, do you know what is the meaning of screening or shielding effect? The electrons of inner cells, also called the core electrons, shield or screen the outermost electrons from the attractive pull of the nucleus. This effect is therefore called the shielding or screening effect. Next, effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge is represented by Z star. It is defined as the net nuclear attraction towards the valence shell electrons, or in other words, the actual nuclear charge whose electrostatic force of attraction is being experienced by the outer electron. Greater the effective nuclear charge, more tightly is the hold with nucleus. Variation of atomic radii in the periodic table. First, variation along a period. The atomic radius generally decreases from left to right along a period. As illustrated in the below graph for the elements of second period, this is because within a period the electron is added to the same valence shell, due to which the effective nuclear charge increases, and hence the outer electron is held by the nucleus more tightly. Here, variation of atomic radius with atomic number across the second period. In this diagram, atomic radius and pm means picometer. This diagram or graph is plotted atomic number versus atomic radius. Exception. First, transition elements show a little variation in their atomic radii due to poor shielding effect of d electrons. Second, lanthanides also exhibit a little variation in their atomic radii due to lanthanide contraction. Variation in a group. The atomic radius generally increases on moving down a group, as illustrated in the following graph for alkali metals and halogen. Here, variation of atomic radius with atomic number for alkali metals and halogens. This is because the electrons are added in the successive shells, that is, principal quantum number increases, and thus the electrons of inner cells shield the electrons of principal energy level from the pull of the nucleus, due to which the distance between the valence electron and the nucleus increases, and hence the atomic radius increases. Exception. Among D block elements, the radii increases from members of first series to the corresponding member of second, but the radius of members of second and third series are almost equal due to lengthened contraction. Second, ionic radius. In case of ions, the radius is called ionic radius and it is defined as the effective distance from the center of the nucleus of an ion up to which it has an influence in the ionic bond. Again repeat, the effective distance from the center of the nucleus of an ion up to which it has an influence in the ionic bond. Internuclear distance is equal to radii of cation and radii of anion. Means internuclear distance is equal to radii of cation plus radii of anion. Next, comparison of the ionic radii with corresponding atomic radii. First, the size of cation is smaller than its parent atom. A cation is formed by the loss of electron, thus has fewer electrons, while its nuclear charge, that is number of protons, is same as that present in parent atom. Consequently, the nucleus binds the electrons more tightly, that is effective nuclear charge increases and hence the size of atom decreases. Again repeat, consequently the nucleus binds the electrons more tightly, that is effective nuclear charge increases and hence the size of the atom decreases. Here discuss electronic configuration electron proton of sodium and sodium ion. First of all, sodium. Electronic configuration of sodium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1, while sodium ion 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Number of proton in sodium 11 and sodium ion 11, but number of electron in sodium 11 while number of electron in sodium ion 10. Then radii of sodium 186 picometer while sodium ion 95 picometer. Variation of ionic radii. It decreases across a period and increases on moving down the group. Next, isoelectronic species and their radii. Species, atoms or ions having the same number of electrons are called the isoelectronic species. Again repeat, species, atoms or ions having the same number of electrons are called the isoelectronic species. For example, oxygen 2 minus, fluorine minus, sodium plus 1 and Mg 2 plus. In case of isoelectronic species, as the magnitude of nuclear charge increases, force of attraction by the nucleus on the electrons increases and hence ionic radius decreases. In case of oxygen 2 minus, fluoride ion, sodium ion and magnesium ion, the nuclear charge are respectively +8, +9, +11 and +12. Thus, the order of their radii is Mg ion is less than sodium ion is less than fluoride, and fluoride is less than oxygen. It is a complete topic of atomic radius and ionic radius, and also trends in periodic table. I discuss ionization enthalpy, or ionization energy in next video. Thank you.